Sa pagsisimula ng salo-salo ng housemates, nagsimula na rin ang duo challengers sa pagkilatis sa bawat natirang duo.
Ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, cheers! Thank you, Kuya.
Wow!
Ralph and Will, yeah.
Ralph and Will, I'm proud that they're competitive.
Sobrang galing talaga nila.
Yeah, sa task.
Pero pinag-combine sila na parang magaling.
Oo.
I think yung competitiveness nila should be used against them. Because they're in the final stages now.
Si Will also is actually a huge character development since yeah.
For me, si Will ang
Since day one. Parang it's a revelation because everyone underestimated him in the beginning.
Oh, AZ and
Oh,
River.
Easy and River. River, lumaban ka! Ay!
Gusto ko siyang makitang mas may...
Tapang sa...
Parang medyo hindi
So
rin ako
nice.
na parang hindi daw big winner material kapag giving na give. Pero di ba parang set as an example yun na selfless. Pero
dapat may balance.
Gets ko naman pwede hindi siya nakikita ng drive.
No, I want River to know that he is just as deserving as the other housemates. Na hindi niya kailangan i-sacrifice yung sarili niya lagi. Parang na-prove niya na talaga sa buong model. He's a nice guy.
With AZ ba? Ako aminin ko yung emotions niya, I never saw it as a
Yes,
wrong,
me too.
a wrong way. I don't think that should be a reason to go against her. I'm not trying to defend
no, it's
AC
go,
pero
go.
mabait naman talaga si AC and ang dami niya na kasi pinagdadaanan na emotions.
For me lang, when I had like a off feeling about her, kinausap ko siya about it. And after I talked to her about it, she kind of used it against me that I became an insensitive person. That was never my intention. As in, kinausap ko lang kasi gusto ko lang i-voice out. But for me lang, it's okay to be emotional. Pero like, I also kind of understand siguro yung mga reason na binigay nila kay AZ. Kasi like, as a celebrity, she should know how to handle rejections, criticism, and judgment in a professional way. Like, what if she's already in the outside world?
Totoo.
Sobrang daming bashing. O kaya nasa taping siya, napagalitan siya ng director or like a veteran. Iiyak na lang ba siya agad? Kinakain siya eh.
Kailangan niya din tulungan sa sarili.
Yes, exactly. At hindi naman pwedeng may Ralph lagi dyan na ibibaby siya para anuhin siya. So parang dun lang ako na, kaya siguro yung emotions yung ginawang reason for her.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng usapan ng duo challengers, sunod naman nilang binigyang pansin sina Brent at Mika.
Mika.
Mika is smart. Alam niya yung ginagawa niya and alam niya yung reason kung bakit siya nandito.
Though, again, I can't say that I really know Mika, but I feel comfortable around her. But then again, the whispers around, I know na parang I wanna get to know her more in a deeper level. With Brent naman, actually si Brent, I feel like he has the maturity also.
Sobrang tahimik na.
Exactly, oo. Napansin ko kay Tahin siya, he's an observer and listens.
He's good at observing.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
hindi sila magpapadala sa nangyayari
they won't-
sa environment.
If that's the case, is that considered big winner material? That's personality, that's them so be it, right? But we're talking about the face of the season, technically as winners.
Charlie Esnier.
Sharon! Esnir! I wish he was more open.
Parang he's also the type of person who doesn't wanna show his vulnerable side. Kasi gusto niya matapang lang siya. Like, happy lang ako. Okay lang ako, guys.
Yeah.
Pero alam natin yung sinasabi sa kanya.
Okay lang.
Sa akin siya
Hindi mo kailangan. Yeah, mas...
open siya sabi ko sa kanya naman. And as ngayon ang compare naman sa before, ngayon mas natatanggap na. Aminado naman talaga siya.
Kasi nung first day sinasabi niya, diba, bihira lang ako umiyak.
With Charlie naman, yung bunso, I really look up to her because
I
she's
saw
so
that
young,
ako din.
but her growth has been amazing. I mean,
And she doesn't like people babying her
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah, that's what I like about her.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko si Charlie nung ranking namin. Yung hindi talaga siyang mag-rank siya. Though ako na yung nagsasabi na parang hindi niya naman deserve.
Hindi yung ganon.
Ayan na.
Dustin and Bianca.
si Dustin, honestly, I mean, I know he's getting a lot of comments from the people, but he was one of the first people that made me feel comfortable sa
Yeah.
bahay.
Ako,
And
ano?
parang genuine naman yung si Dustin and Bianca. Like, they really like each other.
Ako, they really both shined separately for me when I was in the house at least. Kasi
Yeah,
nung
hindi natin
task-
naabutan yung ano na nila.
Kasi nung task ni yung Pares, sobrang saludo ako kay Dustin. Naging leader talaga siya. He handled everything so well. And then same as nung nag-one-take task tayo with Bianca, whenever we needed ad-libs on the spot agad siya. So both of them really do well separately. I think they're only weaknesses is they're distracting each other.